How to review group posts about groups you have recommended on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group posts about groups you have recommended on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines at the top corner and go down until you find settings. And now go down again. Here you will find setting activity log, and now click groups, communities, events and reels, and here you will find it group posts. Click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.